you need to know how to factor difference of cubes or sum of cubes. So in this case, if I have a cubed minus b cubed, you need to know how to factor that. Okay, what goes into the first parentheses here? Anyone? Those of you with the microphone, you can jump in and talk. What goes into the first parentheses? Or type your answer. Anyone? Yeah, you haven't got to that point yet? Well, I get the answer 2y minus 5. No. Well, I'm not talking about this example here. I'm just talking about the general equation, difference of cubed. What would be what was inside the first parentheses? Okay, no, I haven't got a single answer, correct answer from anyone yet. Anybody remember? Okay, I have a correct answer from Antonio. Yes, a plus b. That's correct. So that would be not a plus b. So it would be a minus b, right? A minus b. If this were a cubed plus b cubed, then you would be right. That would be a plus b. Okay. Somebody with the microphone, can you tell me what goes in the second parentheses here, the formula? Kevin, do you know how to? Okay, you guys have to review your formulas then. Okay, the first term here would be a squared. The second term, what's the second term, anyone? Do you remember the second term here? What goes in here? Somebody put b squared. No? ab, right. Kevin says ab. The second term would be ab for both of them. And the last term would be b squared. If you remember that. Now, if this is minus, all these would be plus. Just remember that. If this is plus, the sign alter between plus and minus in the second parentheses would be plus, minus, plus. So please remember these two formula for the next exam and the final exam. You need to know how to factor the difference of cubed and sum of cubed here. So in this case we have 8y cubed minus 125. So the question is this is a difference of cubed? Is this a difference of cubed? Can I write this as difference of cubed? What would be the first term here? Okay, Marvin says yes. So what goes into, what's your first term here? What's your first term?
It would be 2y minus 5.
Very good. 2y, if I cube 2y, I get 8y cubed, and 5 times 5 times 5 would be 125, so you're absolutely right. So here we have a difference of cubed. So in this case, your a is 2y, so your a is 2y. Do we see that? Your a is 2y in this case. And your b, your second term is 5. So your b is 5. So if I just simply write down this format here, everywhere I see A, I just have to substitute 2y for that. So let's do that. So it would be 2y here. Well, I have A here too, so it would be 2y squared. I have another A here is 2y. So all I'm doing here is everywhere I see A, I'm going to substitute with that 2y. Everywhere I see B, I'm going to substitute with 5. So let's do that. That would be 5 times 5 here and 5 square here. So I can go ahead and change these parentheses to the brackets now, since I'm introducing parentheses now. So let's go ahead and use the brackets here for now. And don't forget the sign. The sign here would be minus. The sign here must be plus. The sign here must be plus. So if I want to factor this, that would be 2y minus 5 times 2y squared would be 4y squared plus 2 times 5 would be 10y plus 25. That's how you factor that. Let's write this 2 down here correctly. So it would be 5 squared